Just finishing up her hair. I've used some chunky yarn, and I'm undoing the ply to make more of a fluffier, lighter, curly hair. I think I need to find some more different yarn types for hair. I really like mohair. I don't have any black mohair, and I want her to have some like jet black hair. But I've already have most of the hair on, and I'm just gonna put a little bit towards the back. And then usually when I'm doing their hair, I leave the thread in here with the needle attached to it while I put the face on. So I'll do the hair because it kind of helps me decide where I'm going to put the eyes on her face. So there's her hair, and she'll get it trimmed at the very end too. Depending on what I do, I might want to like put some little braids or just something fun in there. I was thinking maybe I could use this thread to make her eyes. Maybe we can have some dark eyes. I was experimenting with putting wool felt on for eyes and one of my other dolls, like just needle felting, and it just gave the doll such a different look, and I'm still kind of trying to decide what I like. Experimenting with the look of them. So I think with this, I'm just going to use this thread that I was putting her hair on with, and I'm going to do her eyes. So like I'll pull her hair down like this a little bit, and then I'll just come in through the back and find the edge of one of her eyes. And this is an exciting moment because then, you know, we can see each other, and it's a very precious moment. I always make them a little wider than I think I need to. Sometimes depending on the way the wool is felted, it changes how I put the eye on there. So I don't want to pull too tight. And then I'm going to go back in through her head and find the other edge of her eye. Since I'm pulling her hair down, I can kind of figure out where that edge is a little bit easier. Oh, look at this. We're going to get to see each other. It's an exciting moment. You're so precious. You've keeping me so calm today. And I don't feel very well. You're like a little tiny healer. Oh, yeah, see, she's like, yes. Hello, Annika. Hi. And then I can come back in through the back of the hair and stitch around in her hair a little bit more with the rest of this thread. Oop, I got a little bit of hair. She's like, I got a hair in my eye. But look at that. She's so sweet with her little eyes.